Are you looking for a reliable solution to convert OST files into PST format? If yes, then Mail OST to PST Converter is the perfect tool for you. It is a powerful and user-friendly software that allows you to convert single or multiple OST files into PST format in just a few clicks. Now, let's see how this software works. First, download Mail OST to PST Converter for free from the official website. After completing the installation, launch the software on your system. Next, click on the Browse button and select the OST files from your local computer. After selecting the files, click on the Add File button. The software will now scan the OST files and display a preview of all available mail folders. Select the required folders as per your needs. Once selected, click on the Export button. From the export options, choose Save as PST. Now, click on the Browse button and specify a destination location on your computer. Finally, click on the Save Now button to start the conversion process. As you can see, the software has started converting your OST files. Once the process is complete, the converted PST file will be successfully saved on your system. This is how you can easily convert OST files into PST format using Mail OST to PST Converter. Thank you for watching.